What's up, Goldie Squad? Goldie here, and guys, I have a super special announcement. Tonight, I'm hosting a very special summer party to celebrate the release of my Maker Kits. That's why the whole squad's here.
Yeah!
Hey! We got Presley, we got Paige, we got Ruby, and we got me. Woo! The squad! Okay, so Presley, what have you been up to since you judged robots on this channel?
Well, I'm starting college pretty soon.
College?
Yeah?
Wait, how old are you?
I'm turning 14 in a month. I'm pretty much doing college and high school together. I have to earn all my high school credits during my college career.
Okay, what have you been up to?
Yes.
I have been dancing a lot. I also dance. I've been a dancer since I was 2 years old, actually.
So how about you, Ruby?
Well, I've just really been working on a lot of editing. I just downloaded Final Cut Pro. So me and my brother love to make random videos and then just edit them in crazy ways. Okay, but enough about us. Tell us more about these kits.
Oh my gosh, yeah, do you guys want the tour?
Yes!
Okay. These kits are perfect if you love making, if you love creating, if you love to get your hands dirty. We got the DIY light up unicorn pillow. We got the scent lab and room diffuser.
I can smell it already.
The DIY unicorn headphones. We got the DIY slumber party kit.
Oh, you look so cute on the box.
I think you mean we look so cute in the box.
Sorry. We got the DIY LED cloud light. So we're gonna be making a video for every single one of these kits. So guys, stay tuned. But first, do you guys wanna get a sneak peek of one?
Yeah!
Okay, so this is the DIY unicorn light up pillow.
So cute.
You can literally customize it however you want. Like do the hair different, do the eyes different, the horn different. But the best part about this is it lights up. Do you guys wanna see it?
Yes!
Okay. There it is.
So cute. It's like for a party.
Yeah, this is a party pillow. This is definitely a summer party pillow. Do you guys want to feel it? Isn't it
It's
so fluffy?
soft. I could just
It's so cute. I feel like it's too pretty to sleep on.
Like
Yeah, it's like one of those
cushions.
like pillows on your bed where you make your bed and there's the pretty one in the middle. That's that, baby.
if you're having a hard day, just pull out your light up pillow and
It'll make you feel better.
Have a nice little chat.
Light up your life.
So the best part about these kits is they all come with a hack and fact cards. And so the hack side is basically little tips and tricks how to make it your own and stuff like that. So on the back, there's a bunch of STEM facts so you actually learn while you're hacking. And they're actually really interesting.
Did you guys know clouds can travel up to 100 miles per hour?
Oh my god, that's so cool.
That's so fast. That's faster than the freeway.
And did you guys know that girls have better senses of smells than boys?
What?
Of course we do.
Knew that.
If you guys want a kit of your own, go check it out at Amazon or GoldieBlox.com. That is it. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a single one of these amazing kit videos.
And comment down below which kit you're most excited for.
Yeah, do that. Okay. The Goldie Squad is signing off. Bye.